Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I've got some slime, but not special slime. Okay, so these are some pranks you can do with this slime. When you're in school, you could play with it, and then you could do this. Can I tell you why you can do that? Anyone know? Alright. This slime is edible slime with Fruity 2 slime and icing sugar, so it's edible. Oh my god. Edible. Ready? I'm just going to do it here. I'm going to put it down here and show you. Let me just spread it out. Okay. I don't know. I'm sorry if you're not really watching. It doesn't do that well because it is edible slime. Sorry guys. Edible slime. It's like, it's warm. I'm going to get all sticky hands on me now. Bye guys.